And well, picking up some more information as far as Robert Vadra's questioning is concerned, he is all set to be questioned once again by the Income Tax Department in the National Capital. The IT officials are likely to examine Robert Vadra at his Sukhdev Vihar office in connection to a tax evasion case. Piyush, my colleague who's been tracking the latest, is also joining us live on the broadcast. Piyush, the income tax officials also are saying that this is a routine inquiry and not related to any particular case. If you could elaborate a little more on that.
Well, Krishnan, what we were initially told, as per the sources, that this investigation was about alleged tax evasion which was done by the office of Robert Vadra. But right now what we are picking, while we spoke to official from Income Tax Department, he has now told us that it is nothing but a routine inquiry. Let us also remind to our viewers that if it's routine inquiry, then there could be some sort of investigation in the cases. Those are already registered against Robert Vadra, be it the case of money laundering which was registered by Enforcement Directorate, or there could be some sort of investigation, in these Benami properties of Robert Vadra of London, in which there are some of the Benami properties worth £12 million. So there are certain cases, those are already there, and the investigation in these cases are now going on. And now our IT official has now come here and he's saying that it's a routine inquiry. Remember that Income Tax wanted to inquire and record statement of Robert Vadra before also, and that's why they had sent some sort of notices also to Robert Vadra, but he refused to join, citing COVID pandemic situation. But right now the officials of Income Tax, they are themselves are here at Robert Vadra's Sukhdev Vihar office. Let me try to show you the pictures from right outside Robert Vadra's office, where this probe is going on, the recording of statement is going on. It's the day 2 where the Income Tax Department officials have come, and they are right now recording the statements of Robert Vadra. Yesterday itself they had recorded, but today what we are learning is that again they are here, as according to sources, what we were told is that the officials were not satisfied with the answers those were given by Robert Vadra, and that's why on second day also they have come here. This is certainly going to be a big troublesome situation for Robert Vadra, because he is maintaining that he is cooperating, but on the other side the officials are not satisfied. Remember that when he was summoned at ED headquarters also last year, at the time also he was summoned again and again by the ED officials itself, and at the time also we got to know that he was not cooperating. But Robert Vadra claims that whatever is happening is nothing but political vendetta at the part of government, as the government wants to divert the attention of people of a nation from the farmers' protest, and that's why he is being targeted. He's saying that he will cooperate and will give all details to Income Tax officials, but the Income Tax officials have again reached here, which is certainly telling us that they are not satisfied with the kind of
questioning is concerned, not being satisfied by Robert Vadra's answers, the IT officials once again questioning him at his New Delhi office. Let's listen into one of the reactions being given out by the IT official there, who says this is a routine inquiry and not related to any particular case.
ये रूटीन इंक्वायरी है, इट्स नॉट अ स्पेसिफिक केस, है ना, तो वही चल रहा है बस. ये रूटीन इंक्वायरी है, इट्स नॉट अ स्पेसिफिक केस, है ना, ये रूटीन इंक्वायरी है, इट्स नॉट अ स्पेसिफिक केस, है ना, तो वही चल रहा है बस. ये रूटीन इंक्वायरी है, इट्स नॉट अ स्पेसिफिक केस, है ना, तो वही चल रहा है बस.
So a short reaction there by an IT official as Robert Vadra's questioning is underway at his Sukhdev Vihar office here in the National Capital. Today being day 2, yesterday he was questioned for over 6 hours, and several statements by some of the IT officials made it clear that they were not satisfied by his answers. Remember, he's facing investigations in connection with some of his properties in London, some of the land deals in Bikaner, Gurugram and elsewhere.